with all sense of humility, I say, sir, as a prosecutor, that this court has no discretion in that regard, and that the only sentence that your lordship will impose for counts 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 is death sentence. This court has the power to do so, and with respect must do so. The language of the act is clear, and the court is urged to apply it strictly without deviation.
Chief Awomolo there, SAN, by the way, prosecutor of Nnamdi Kanu. We hear a couple of minutes time we'll be hearing the final sentencing of Nnamdi Kanu by Justice Omotosho. By the way, Nnamdi Kanu has been charged initially at 2015. I think it was about 15 count charges, but 8 of them were struck out sometime later. So there are 7 count charges against Nnamdi Kanu, and as you hear, the prosecutor is asking that he should be sentenced to death. And the 7 count charges are Nnamdi Kanu has been found guilty in the 7 count charges against him. I will just allow us to know the 7 count charges while we expect final sentencing from Justice Omotosho. Number 1, breach of the Terrorism Prevention and Amendment Act. Kanu allegedly issued threats and incited orders across southeast Nigeria, enforced sit-at-home orders, target bans, school, markets, petrol stations, ground businesses, vehicular movement, and all of that. Number 2, incitement to attack security personnel and their families. He was also found guilty of that. 3, direction to manufacture bombs. Nnamdi Kanu was also found guilty of count 3. Count 4, importation and concealment of a radio transmitter. Between March and April 2015, Kanu allegedly is alleged to have imported and concealed a radio transmitter tram 50L in used household items in Hiala local government area, Anambra State, contrary to section 47 2A, subsection 2A of the Criminal Code Act of 2004. Count 5, membership and leadership of an unlawful terrorist organization. The charge accused that IPOB is a proscribed organization and Kanu, as its leader, committed offense under the law. Count 6, broadcasting falsehood using broadcast for terrorist purposes. And count 7, other related offenses under the Terrorism Prevention Act. It's also noted that part of Justice Omotosho's reading of the ruling before the final sentence and all of that is he accused Nnamdi Kanu of incitement during the EndSARS protests of 2020. In fact, it is now in public street. It is now on the street that Nnamdi Kanu may have caused and incited people to the kind of mayhem that happened during the 2020 EndSARS and all of the destruction of government properties that happened. So Justice Omotosho is about to begin, if he hasn't, by what time you're seeing this video, is final judgment. And we'll hear that his lawyer and a member of one of the House of Rep members will meet to appeal to Justice Omotosho for clemency before his final address. No comment for that. No comment.